Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making some slime. So for this you're going to need some glue, baking soda, and contact solution. And if you can't find this brand, you have to look in the ingredients and it has to say boric acid or sodium borate and that should activate the slime. Also you need some water, measuring spoons, something to mix with, and the paint, you don't have to do it if you want a plain slime. And I have some add-ins. You don't have to do this either. I have some sequins. So we're just going to add in our glue. We're going to add in 2 half tablespoons of baking soda. So we're going to just add in 1 and 2. And we're going to add in 2 half tablespoons of water. 1 and 2. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to mix these together like that. And we're going to pick our color. So I have a yellow, pink, purple, and blue slime. So I don't know what I can make. And I don't know what really matches with this. So I think I'm going to go with the pink. Well, this is red, but the red and the white and the pink make pink. Alright, we're going to add some of this color in. Come on. Oh, that's good for now because I don't want it to be red. Alright, so we're going to just mix this in. And it's turning pink, as you can see. I think I want it to be a little bit of a... actually, I think I want a little bit more so it can be a little bit darker. We put some more and we mix. Alright, so I think that's much better. It's a little bit rosy red. Okay, so we're just gonna open up these sequins and dump them in. Oh, that's a lot of sequins. Alright, now let's mix this. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at this. I really love this. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add in half a tablespoon of some of the contact solution. Just pour that in. And if you need more, you can add in more. Alright, so let's just keep mixing it. Yeah, nice. That's nice. Add in some more so it can be nice and not sticky. Alright, I think that's time for my hands. This is cute. Ooh, this is a really nice slime. I'm gonna check it and I can eat that. Alright, so after you have taken your slime out, I'm just gonna get all of the extra slime stuck to the bowl like that, and we're just gonna squish until it's nice and soft. Alright, so as you can see, this is my pink slime and it has some sequins in it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!